Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mostly Programming. My name is Vivek Garg, and in today's video we are going to discuss about various pros and cons of working at Byju's as a BDA. I'm assuming that you have been selected at Byju's as a BDA and you're wondering whether or not to join Byju's as a BDA. If that's your concern, let me tell you my friend, let me assure you that you are at the right place, and by the end of this video you will definitely have your answer. And I'm not going to give you the answer, I'm just going to give you some pointers which would help you make the decision on your own. And I personally have never worked at Byju's, but many of my acquaintances definitely have, and their experience have been so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But before that, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do that right now because it's free. Also press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from Mostly Programming. So let's start with the pros. The very first pro, the very first advantage of working as a BDA at Byju's is the monetary benefits. We all know the package that is being offered is pretty amazing. 10 LPA sounds great, right? It is inclusive of all the incentives, definitely. It's actually a 7 LPA plus 3 LPA package. 7 LPA is your basic pay and 3 LPA would be incentives that you would have to earn based upon your performance. But still, it is a package to drool over. It's a pretty amazing package, let me tell you that. According to my friends, I have researched about it, and my friends would get around 51 to 52k as the basic pay exclusive of the incentives, and they would get 9% incentive per course that they sell. It's over a 45-day cycle. If you want me to make a dedicated video about the targets and what is the 45-day cycle and what are the incentives and how the incentives are paid, let me know in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me. But how? You can follow me on my Instagram. The link would be here at @mostlyprogramming. Just drop me a DM, follow me on Instagram, and let me know if you want me to make a dedicated video about the targets and incentives only. The second pro is the medical facilities. The medical facilities offered to BDAs at Byju's are pretty good. The medical insurance is pretty amazing. But that's it. No more pros of working at Byju's. Only to the monetary benefits and the medical facilities. There are no more advantages or pros of working at Byju's. Now, let's talk about the cons. Let's talk about the disadvantages. And there are a few. Or there are many. Let's see. So, as I said earlier, there are many disadvantages of working at Byju's, be it toxic work environment or 0% professionalism or abusive work environment. And why I'm particularly saying abusive work environment, because there are plenty of videos of the leads abusing very harshly to their employees. I cannot include that video in this particular YouTube video due to policies, but if you want to see, you can reach out to me, and again on Instagram, follow me and DM me. The link would be in the description box below. Apart from this, the targets that are given to you are unrealistic. You won't be able to achieve those targets unless you are a magician. Also, there are no definite working hours. The login time is definitely 9 a.m. every morning. But there is no logout time. There is no specific logout time unless you have achieved the daily duration of the calls that you are expected to make. You cannot log out. You cannot leave the office. So there are no specified working hours. If you want me to make a specific video about just that, about the working hours policy, let me know in the comment section below. So to sum up, the pros would be monetary benefits and medical facilities, but the cons would be no voice of your own, no social life, no work-life balance, 0% professionalism, abusive environment, and toxic work culture. So now you have to do the tol bhav and make your own decision that whether you want to join Byju's or not. Being said all that, I always believe that having a job is still better than not having a job. So make your decision wisely. I'll see you around in my next video. Bye bye.